Dear students, today we will solve one example in cost volume profit analysis in Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 8 TY BCom semester 6. Here is the question. Mihir Limited provides you the following information for the year ending on 31st March 2014. Profit volume ratio 60%, rate of profit on sale 30%, cost of present sales rupees 28 lakh, and you are asked to calculate number 1 sales at break even point, number 2 profit or loss at the sale of rupees 50 lakhs, number 3 profit or loss at the sale of rupees 15 lakhs, number 4 compute the following when present selling price is to be decreased by 20%. A. New profit volume ratio, and B. Sales amount to maintain the present profit. Number 5. Even if the selling price is to be increased by 25%, variable costs are increased by 25% and fixed costs are increased by 33 and 1/3%. Find out sales amount required to maintain the present profit. And last point, find out margin of safety at a profit of rupees 6 lakh in rupees and in percentage. This is from Veer Narmad South Gujarat University TY BCom April 2014 examination. Dear students, first of all we will do some basic calculations. Here in the question we are given profit volume ratio 60%. Therefore our variable cost ratio would be 100 minus PV ratio, that is 100 minus 60% is equal to 40%. Our rate of profit on sale is given 30%. Therefore, rate of profit on cost would be 30 by 70, that is 3 by 7. Cost of present sales given rupees 28 lakh. Therefore, our present profit would be equal to cost of sales into rate of profit, that is 3 by 7. That is 28 lakh multiply 3 by 7 is equal to rupees 12 lakh. Now present sale is equal to cost of sale plus profit, that is 28 lakhs plus 12 lakh is equal to rupees 40 lakhs, and present variable cost is equal to sales multiplied by 40%, that is 40 lakhs multiply 40% is equal to rupees 16 lakhs, and fixed cost is equal to cost of sales minus variable cost, that is 28 lakhs minus 16 lakh is equal to rupees 12 lakh. Now by using all these informations we will solve all the given requirement. Our first requirement is sales at a break even point. Here we have a fixed cost of rupees 12 lakh and profit volume ratio 60%. So our break even point sales would be fixed cost divided by PV ratio, that is rupees 12 lakh divided by 60% is equal to rupees 20 lakh. Our second requirement is profit at a sale of rupees 50 lakh. This will be calculated by using formula profit is equal to sales multiply PV ratio minus fixed cost. Here our sale amounts to rupees 50 lakh multiply PV ratio 60% minus fixed cost rupees 12 lakh. So our required profit amounts to rupees 18 lakhs. Now our third requirement is profit at a sale of rupees 15 lakh. We will use the same formula. Profit is equal to sales multiply PV ratio minus fixed cost. That is 15 lakh multiply 60% minus fixed cost rupees 12 lakh. So our profit amounts to rupees minus 3 lakh, that is our loss. Now our fourth requirement is compute the following when present selling price is to be decreased by 20%, a new profit volume ratio and sales amount to maintain the present profit. Here is the basic working. First of all, we assume present selling price per unit rupees 100 minus 20% decrease in selling price, that is 100 into 20%, 20 rupees. So 100 minus 20, 80 rupees our new or revised selling price, less variable cost per unit, that is old selling price into variable cost percentage, that is 100 multiply 40%, rupees 40. So our new contribution per unit amounts to 40 rupees. So first point A, new profit volume ratio is equal to new contribution per unit divided by new selling price per unit multiply 100, that is 40 rupees divided by 80 rupees multiply 100. So our new PV ratio comes to 50%. And our second requirement B, sales amount to maintain the present profit, and our formula is required sales equal to fixed cost plus present profit divided by PV ratio. Our fixed cost already we calculated rupees 12 lakh plus present profit rupees 12 lakh and new PV ratio 50%, that is 24 lakh divided by 50% is equal to rupees 48 lakhs. Now our next requirement number 5 is even if the selling price is to be increased by 25%, variable cost increased by 25% and fixed cost increased by 33 and 1/3%, find out sales amount required to maintain the present profit. First of all, we will do some basic calculations. Here our new selling price would be old selling price as per our assumption rupees 100 plus 25% is equal to rupees 125 less new variable cost. Our old variable cost was rupees 40 per unit as per our previous calculation plus 25%. So our new variable cost would be rupees 50. So 125 new selling price minus new variable cost 50. So our new contribution amounts to 75. Our fixed cost, present fixed cost rupees 12 lakh plus 33 and 1/3% increase. So new fixed cost would be rupees 16 lakh and our present profit is rupees 12 lakh and required sales question mark. So first of all we will calculate new PV ratio and formula for that contribution per unit divided by selling price per unit multiply by 100, that is 75 divided by 125 multiply by 100. So our new PV ratio comes to 60%. And now sales amount to maintain the present profit. Our formula for required sales equal to fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost rupees 16 lakh plus present profit rupees 12 lakh divided by new PV ratio 60%. So it is 28 lakh divided by 60%. So amount comes to 46 lakh 66,667. Our last requirement number 6 is find out margin of safety at a profit of rupees 6 lakh in rupees and in percentage. So margin of safety in rupees would be profit divided by PV ratio, that is rupees 6 lakh divided by original PV ratio 60% given in the question. So our margin of safety amounts to rupees 10 lakh. And now margin of safety in percentage, and for that first of all we will calculate required sales to earn a profit of rupees 6 lakh by using formula required sales is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon PV ratio. Our present fixed cost already given in question rupees 12 lakh plus profit required rupees 6 lakh divided by original PV ratio 60%. So our required sale amounts to rupees 30 lakh. Now margin of safety percentage is equal to margin of safety in rupees divided by required sales multiplied by 100, that is rupees 10 lakh divided by rupees 30 lakhs multiply 100. So final answer comes 33 and 1/3 percentage. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. We will meet with new sum in new lecture very soon.